Do you want to know how to enable reopening of all the windows on startup in DuckDuckGo? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, launch the DuckDuckGo app. Now go to the three-dot menu on the top right corner of your screen. Navigate your way to settings. Now under settings, you're gonna have to go ahead and look for the option general. Now under general, you'll see categories like shortcuts, on startup, tabs, homepage, etc. Now on startup, go ahead and change your setting to reopen all windows from last session. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable reopening all the windows on startup in DuckDuckGo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.